And then we have our personal favorite part of the house, where we've spent the majority of our time, the balcony.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So excited for this video. We're going to be showing you this amazing place we have up here on the top of the mountains here. We're about 3 hours from San Jose, and we're about 30 minutes from the closest civilization, which is this small little kind of beach town right over here, Parita, where we have about a 30-minute drive to get up here. But once you get up to the top of this hill, we're at this beautiful estate here. I don't even know how they built this place, because you have to go up some windy roads, some gravel roads, and it's a pretty large house here to have just kind of in the middle of nowhere with very few neighbors in the area. But of course, once you get up here, it is so beautiful, breathtaking. I mean, you feel like you're in nature here. The views are unbelievable in terms of how far you can see. We can actually see the ocean from here, and it's got to be 25 miles away. And probably when you first look at this place, you're like, geez, I got to be paying like $500 per night. And absolutely not. We're paying $180 per night, and that's split 4 ways. So that's pretty cheap. It's coming around to like $45 per person. And this place has room for probably 12 to 16 people. We'll show you once we get in there all of the beds they have, and so you get so much for it. You have your own private infinity pool here, and there's all these great amenities, like there's a grill over here, parking space, of course. If you have a couple cars, there's room for it. And then right over here we have Christian, who is kind of the guy who takes care of the house. There's another guy that owns the Airbnb but lives, I think, in San Jose, and Christian's kind of the guy that takes care of the grounds and really helps us out with whatever we need. He's been so nice and just helpful with any possible thing. Favorite parts about this place, though, is being outside during the sunrise. I mean, the sunrise, you have this beautiful sunrise lifting right up from the side of the mountain with these unbelievable views. And then, of course, in the evenings, the sunset, I think, is probably my favorite, because you get to see these different colors just floating right on top of the mountain until the sunset. And as you can see here in the drone shots, I mean, these are just unbelievable views. You can't really get in too many places. So now we're gonna head inside, and Chelsea's gonna give us a tour of this beautiful place we are staying at.
So when you first arrive, you park your car right here in the garage area, but you also have a hammock here and a grill for if you want to do some grilling, and you still have this incredible view right from the garage. So here we have the main entrance into the house. This is the only way you can get in and out. And then we'll take you upstairs and show you the inside. So when you first get up the stairs, you come into the main area of the house. So you have a picnic table here where you can fit probably 8-10 people for a nice lunch or dinner. And then you have the sitting area here that we have Cubby here modeling for us. How comfortable is that couch?
Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Do all my reading here.
And then the TV also has Netflix and things like that, and they have movies here actually too, so you have the option to either enjoy the view outside or do some relaxing inside as well. And then I'll take you here into the kitchen, where you have a gas stove, double sink, coffee maker, toaster oven, blender, crock pot, everything you could ever need. And of course, the refrigerator complete with a freezer. And then actually coming back this way, there's a shower right off the kitchen, which is nice if you just want to take a quick rinse off after the pool. They also have a closet here full of extra linens, blankets if you need them. And then even further back here, we have this little hidden bedroom. And then as you come back through the kitchen, there is a half bath here, so if you need to quickly run in and use the restroom. And then we have our personal favorite part of the house, where we've spent the majority of our time, the balcony. You have the incredible view. There's pretty much a constant nice breeze, and then you have this set of table and chairs and umbrella where you can get some sun or some shade while you enjoy a coffee or a beer or a glass of wine. And then there are also a couple of lounge chairs here as well for you to bask in the sun if you'd like. So now taking you to the second part of the house. Continue up the stairs here. So here we have essentially a second kitchen. It's a little smaller. You just have the single sink, and then here though you have an oven. So that's nice if you want to cook a pizza, or you also have the option to have an oven. And then there's a nice TV here because it also doubles as kind of a sitting room as well. Another fridge, no freezer, but refrigerator if you want to keep a couple extra brews here closer to bed. And then you have 2 bedrooms here. So they're pretty much the same, a bed, 2 side tables, and a dresser. And then you have a bathroom in between. So you have a toilet, shower, the water pressure here is great. So you pretty much have everything you need right here in this little section of the house. And it also comes with its own patio, complete with a foosball table. How cool is that? So again, if you have kids, there's, and I mean, I love foosball. There's something to do for everyone here. Have a cup of coffee, this cute little table and chairs, and enjoy the spectacular views. All right, so now taking you to the final section of the house, continuing up the stairs here. We have this loft area. So up here you have the view through these almost floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the kitchen area, the picnic table area, and you have 2 beds that are still separated by a wall in between. And then they also have the option to pull down these blinds that block the morning light maybe coming in if you want to sleep in a little bit and give you a little more privacy if you're sharing this space. And then up here also has a full bath with a nice jacuzzi tub. So if you want to relax in a nice big bathtub after your day at the pool. And then here, just like downstairs next to the kitchen, they have another place to stow someone away for the night. And then another balcony. Where you can come out, again, have a nice cup of coffee, glass of wine, and enjoy the views.
So guys, that pretty much wraps up this tour. We got to get back to enjoying these views, so we'll see you guys in the next video.